Hi, thank you for joining me. I'm gonna show you I'm gonna do a flip through of a journal book that I did for Paperomia. And this is called Bonjour, Paris. And it's got the trinket bundle with it. You're gonna love it. So please take a look. Thank you for watching and enjoy and comment. Chaque regard me retient entre l'amour et le rien. Le chant de nos silences parle de nos absences quand le monde dort dehors. Nos cœurs murmurent plus fort. Le chant de nos silences porte nos espérances dans la nuit sans défense. Nos âmes dansent. Un geste, un souffle, un frisson, et tout devient chanson. Même sans dire je t'aime, je sais que tu ressens le même. Le chant de nos silences parle de nos absences quand le monde dort dehors. Nos cœurs murmurent plus fort. Le chant de nos silences porte. These are the same digital, same page. I just cut it in half. Glued one here, glued one here. I did this folio with file folders. This is a personal postcard of mine. It is French. I just wanted to add it because I think it's fitting. Je sais que c'est le destin, le chant de nos silences vibre dans l'absence, même loin, même ailleurs. Il garde notre cœur. Le chant de nos silences ne s'éteint jamais. I printed it, make sure that this would line up with the top page. Sous la lune de minuit, nos ombres dansent sans un bruit. La brise caresse ton visage, ton regard brille doux mirage. Chaque mot devient musique dans ce silence magique. Sous la lune de minuit, je t'aime à l'infini. Ton souffle contre le mien fait trembler tout le chemin. Sous la lune de minuit, nos cœurs battent unis. Another postcard of mine. Mais pas nos amours. Tes mains cherchent les miennes dans la nuit parisienne. I did 2 signatures. All of it is Paperomia Digitals. Bonjour, Paris, Trinket Bundle. Sous cette lumière d'argent, nos âmes dansent lentement. Sous la lune de minuit, je t'aime pour la vie.
It has a mini journal included in the kit if you get the bundle. Comes with little purses, more than one. This was the first one. I added that bow. Second signature. And I want you to know there's more papers. Belly band. Delish or what? This parfum that her boyfriend or husband gave her. It's reversible, the other side. And it's got a secret note inside. Huh. So, there's his note to his beautiful girlfriend, wife, in French, and I wrote it in English on the other side. This parfum reminds me of you. Your smile reminds me of a sunshiny summer day. I love you, my love. Line it up. And I scented this with a beautiful floral jasmine perfume. This is her book. While she's traveling, she can read. Madame Bovary. A tag. Oh, look at this vintage page. Is that beautiful or what? Right? Beautiful. I love that page. Here's your other purse. I put another image of the flower on top. I cut it out so it's kind of like 3D. She's got her glasses. Camera. And Camila's journal book. And there's her passport. Everything she needs for a good afternoon, a stroll in the market street. Her magazine. While she's eating a croissant, she can look through her fashion magazine. The envelope, filled, stuffed. And we've come to the end. Good night, Paris. I hope you've enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it. And I hope whoever receives it will receive it with love. Thank you. Have a good day. Buy this kit. You're going to enjoy it. I can't wait to see what you make of it.